Alright, welcome back guys. It's going to be another trade breakdown. So from here, I had an absolutely insane week trading this pair on EJ. So with this again, just starting it off like how we always do. On the 3-day, we see here we had 3 MBs up, 1 MB down. So we're in a reaccumulation model on the 3-day. We don't need to look at the daily if the 3-day is bullish, but we also had a reaccumulation model on the daily. 4-hour. Looks solid for 12 MBs up, 1 down, so we know it's in a reaccumulation model. 1 hour, we know is also in a reaccumulation model, 4 MBs up, 1 down, and it's above the 200 EMA, so this is looking really, really good. The 15-minute we came onto here, the 15-minute is an A+ setup. This looks beautiful. Like, I love the way that this looks in terms of the MAs. Super tight, curve is beautiful. It's a U-shaped curve, and the DTC is touching the 10 EMA, so everything is good. Now, I step down onto the 15-minute, sorry, the 1 minute. So on here, we can see here, this is an accumulation model, just went some back and forth. We just got above the 200 EMA on the 10 EMA right there, and it's curling upwards. Everything is good. The distance between here and here is a little bit big, but not crazy big. So this is more of an A setup. Now we're coming on to here, seeing what's happening. We see here once we get the entry, again, in terms of stop loss, 2.5 times the ATR. We get a stop loss size of 5.8 pips. And then from there, we're waiting for us to get tapped in, and we know we get tapped in. From there, I'm waiting for 2RR to get hit. So from there, it came kind of close to 2RR, but not really. So it comes back down to break even. So at this point, it's still valid for an entry. Didn't hit the stop loss, so this is totally fine. And from there we came, and now we actually hit 2RR. So the second that this happened, from there, boom, we hit 2RR. My next target is going to be the 3.17 RR target. From there, we come, and I can still watch for another entry now that I'm break even. So this is what I was doing. I was looking for another entry, and then from there we get tapped into this. Again, this setup was still valid because the 15-minute looked perfect. So everything here looks solid. So I came and I kept looking for a setup. From there, I think this one was an instant loss. Yeah, so a couple candles later is an instant loss. Didn't bother me. I was still break even on the first one, and I can still look for another one. So we came here. This DTC came up, but didn't go above the DTC. So from there, we didn't touch it. From there, we had another setup here. The curve looked decently good. And then from there, the MAs were super, super tight. Everything looked good for me in terms of taking this. So from there, I still was in this trade, but then I took this one as well. Okay, from there, again, I'm waiting for this one to hit 2RR. So 2RR right here would have been all the way roughly here. And at which point, if they hit 2RR, that means the first trade I was in would have hit take profit. Okay? So from there, we keep playing it. And then from there, take profit hit on that first trade. So from there, I'm fully out of this position. And now I'm just in this one. All right? From there, we came super close to 2RR, and then it smashed right through. So we hit that 2RR mark. And then from there, we came and we started charging upwards towards that 3.2 RR mark. And then from there, we hit it perfectly, smashed right through it. And like I said, this was beautiful. This meant that locked in 3.2 plus 3.17, so around 6.37 RR. But if you managed to win, it was a 5.3 net win. Okay, so this was plus 5.37 RR net. Because again, we're honest with it, we're transparent with the losses. We can see here again, no matter what though, this was insane. From there, again, with this pair, a couple days later, still gave me an insane setup. So, kind of keep going through it until we get to that point. But yeah, like I said, September, amazing start to September. Really liked the way that the price action was. It was just beautiful. All right, from there, we came and we had another setup. This was again, the last one I took, this one was during near the end of Asia. This one is going to be again in Asia. So Asia was really good this week. From there, we came here. We had a setup on the 15-minute. Again, I'm just going to quickly go through those time frames. I'm not going to go through past the 1 hour, but right here we can see here the 1 hour is in a break up. So again, still in a Cuba solid bullish model. So this is good. From there, 15-minute, we're seeing what's happening. We can see here clearly with this 15-minute that it's in a break up, and the MA's just crossed. It looks like an A+ setup, just crossed over. 1 minute. We're seeing what's happening. We can clearly see here again, this is back and forth, and then this broke up into an accumulation model. Got super, super tight on the MAs, so looks good. 2.5 times that stop loss. From there, we get tapped in. And then we came, and I don't think I got tapped out right here, but I was about to. Okay, still in this technically, and then from there, we came, and I'm pretty sure it came, and it, yeah, so it came close to tapping me out. It didn't. This one should not be here, but yeah, this is the one I was still in. So with this, I think I was watching this other setup. That's why the other tool was there, but I couldn't take it until this one was break even. Oh, wait, no. Sorry, yeah, no. So this trade did happen. I did take this because I hit to break even on this at 2RR. My bad, I misread this. So I hit break even on this one, and then from there it came, tapped me out at break even. So I was watching another setup on this. So same thing here. Like I said, 15 minutes still looked good. So in terms of this, looked beautiful, and it got way tighter with the MA. So from there, it looked really nice to continue to take. Again, all the models were bullish on these time frames. So like I said, in terms of looking for the next setup, again, even if I take a loss, still look for another setup because a lot of times it can reset up really quickly. So from there we get tapped in, and this was an instant loss. Okay, so we took a break even and loss just like before, and then from there we got close again with the tightness, and then it broke up again, like I said, into accumulation model, got close to the tightness, and then from there 2.5 times that stop loss became a stop loss of 7.8 pips. So big stop loss, but doesn't bother me. From there we get tapped in, we start to go. And then from there, I'm pretty sure at this point I've already hit 2RR. Yeah, so right here at this point I hit 2RR. And then from there my target was 3.17RR. Okay. Started going down and up sideways for a long while. And then from there, eventually broke up. And then from there, TP got smashed. So again, with this right here was a solid plus 3.18RR. Okay. But then the net with everything here, because we took a break even and a -1 here, so this was a net 2.18RR. Okay, solid. All right, and yeah, honestly, this was, like I said, the biggest part of the week. So right here, just alone before Tuesday, just when we're on Tuesday out of the week, we already have secured a solid just under 8RR. Okay, so like I said, in terms of the net for this was around 7.5 RR net. So net gain so far for the week equals 7.5 RR just by Tuesday, which is insane. Like I said, again, I loved it. This week was beautiful. Price action was nice. So yeah. All right. Thank you guys. Like I said, there's going to be a part 2 breaking down the rest of the week.